Well, Mardi Gras still in full swing in downtown Beaumont. The carnival ride's still going. You have till about 8 p.m. tonight to get down there before it closes. And one thing is certainly much warmer this evening and tonight than it was last night. We're running around 70 degrees. We'll drop a few more degrees this evening into the upper 50s later tonight and in about 60 by daybreak. So it's going to be much, much warmer tonight compared to what we saw last night. In fact, that's your big weather story again for the week ahead. Look at these temperatures. Upper 70s for highs tomorrow. We should hit 80 on Tuesday and lower 80s beginning Wednesday and for the rest of the week. A normal high 68, so that is well above normal. Lots of clouds working across the region. We have mostly cloudy skies or partly sunny across the region. I think we'll deal with some fog later this evening and overnight as well. Those rainfall chances, they're there and they're low, but they're not quite zero. We actually had a couple of very small isolated showers develop today. We'll have a 10% coverage through Tuesday. Jumps a little bit to 20% for Wednesday. That storm system looks to stay north of the area. We'll show you that in just a moment. It's going to be windy all week too. These are wind gusts on our futurecast. Shows the wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour across Southeast Texas tomorrow and yet again on Tuesday. It'll be a warm wind out of the south and southwest, but you can see those gusts coming off the Gulf. Very, very windy conditions expected. A lot more humidity this week as well. Once again, temperatures running in the upper 60s to lower 70s across the area. In fact, 80 at Laredo, so it is much, much warmer across Texas this evening. Some 60s and 70s out over the west. High pressure has moved east. That's allowed our winds to come back off the Gulf of Mexico. And in the upper atmosphere, we have high pressure in place, so not expecting much in the way of any significant rain the next day or two. As we said, though, we can't rule out an isolated shower. Big ridge of high pressure in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, also helping to keep us fairly warm and dry. Here's the next storm system that'll move through Texas coming up on Wednesday. Good news with this, though, it's going to weaken a little bit as it approaches. It looks like the main energy will be to our north. So I think the better coverages of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday will be to our north. We'll see a few scattered showers here on Wednesday, but it looks like a good week to finally start drying out. Then high pressure rebuilds. Futurecast as we head into the overnight hours, looking for a few showers mainly along the coast to our southwest. And this is Wednesday here. Some pretty light stuff. Once again, the heavier storms should be to our north. Futurecast tonight, yep, warm, muggy night, lots of clouds. I think some sea fog will be possible as well. Temperatures falling into the upper 50s later tonight, so much, much warmer than we have been. Then it bounces right back up to 60 at daybreak, so basically the temperatures will warm as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. And throughout the day tomorrow, can't rule out an isolated shower or two. At that rain coverage around 10%. We saw a couple very small showers across the area today. The main weather story will be the windy and very warm conditions coming up over the next several days. Marine forecast, yeah, pretty windy offshore. Southwest winds up to 20 knots. Water temperature up to 60. Tonight, look for areas of sea fog to develop. Lows in the mid to upper 50s for the lakes, near 60 in the Triangle. And your Monday forecast to start off the new work week. It'll be partly sunny, windy and warm, a sprinkle or two possible. Mid to upper 70s for highs, about 78 tomorrow in the Triangle. We'll boost it up more from there, up to 80 Tuesday, 81 Wednesday, 82 Thursday. Let's keep going in the lower 80s. Lots of warm, windy weather this week and a few showers here and there. Best chance will be Wednesday, and that's just a 20% coverage right now.
Into the 80s. It's been a while.
It's been a while. Finally, thaw out a little bit.
Man, last night was cold. I'm ready for some warmer weather.
I bet you were ready. I bet you were hoping you'd have tonight's weather last night.
Would have been nice. Yeah, we fought through it, but yeah, looking good. Good week ahead. Looking forward to that. Thank you, Karen.
All right.